Hello.
Trái rồi.
Huh?
Trái.
Try.
Yeah.
There's a fire.
Campfire.
Fire. Campfire. Say hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. I give you 5. Oh. Can you sing the hello, hello? What's your name?
Yes.
What's your
Hello.
What's your
Yes.
hello, hello? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is
Very good. Good job, Mom. All right. Let's read some flashcards here, okay? Oh, what's this?
Picture.
Very good. What is this?
Hat.
Good job.
Book.
Very good.
Pencil.
Very good.
Crayon.
Good job.
Eyes.
Very good.
Nose. Eyes.
Mouth.
Mouse. Front ears.
Very good.
One.
Hands.
Front hands.
Okay. All right. Let's answer your assessment paper. Oh, pick your favorite color. What's your favorite color? Color blue. Very good. Oh, who is this? He's a b. He is a he's a boy.
Boy.
Boy, very good. Oh, how about her? Who is she? She's a
Girl.
girl. Very good. Oh, who is this? T.
Teacher.
Very good. Oh, what is this?
Pencil.
Very good. This is
Crayon.
that's easy. Ah,
Book.
good job. You did a great job today, Bom. Can you give me 5? You can call her. Thank you so much. Say bye-bye to teacher.
But teacher.